Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds XIAOMI OpenWear Pro 2 Mini with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now you need to click Add Device at the right top, and if you have Windows 10, you will see this button at the top. So press the button, and in this window we need to select Bluetooth. Now make sure that your headphones turn off, and then at the back side of the right ear cup headphone we have a power button. You need to press and hold until the LED lights start blinking blue and red. Firstly, the LED light will be blue, we just turn on them, and now it's blinking. So we just enter to pairing mode and we should see them at the device list. Now tap at your earbuds here and then click Done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!